Hello, everyone. This is TC, and we have my friend we here in this presentation. So today we want to showcase an automated solution for GitHub issue process. So basically, there's repo that has thousands of tickets. Have you ever run into any like open source issues that like open source repos that has so many issues? Do you believe anyone could be able to resolve all of them?
No, definitely. There are a lot of issues that are left open because nobody has the energy to go through them and figure out the correct context.
Yeah, like one really good example is Angular. Like I use Angular every day, and they probably have thousands of issues. So today, what we want to do is we built an AI agent chatbot to help people to analyze those GitHub issues, and we'll give the bot a way to go through the architecture of this chatbot.
Sure. We're using Chainlit, a Python framework, to uh, show the chat interface on the UI. I'll quickly go over the workflow. So the user first provides a GitHub issue link, and then we validate whether this issue link is correctly formatted. If it is, we pass it to our agent. We on the side we have a Node.js based API that tracks the number of requests from a particular IP to prevent denial of service attacks. And once we receive the request, once we receive the GitHub issue link, we first clone the GitHub issue, check the file structure, and then we also do a RAG search based on the issue description against the code base and find the relevant code chunks. And we pass these two pieces of information to LLM. And then we're able to figure out which files are related to the issue and provide a reasonable estimate that for the time it takes to resolve the issue. And then we pass the final answer back to the user through the UI.
Yeah, that's awesome. So through this chatbot, we are potentially help all the GitHub owners, GitHub repo owners to solve their problems. So this is part of the feature. In the future, this can be expanded into a Jenkins bot. So it will automatically go to your repo and track all the GitHub issues and provide analyze and even provide solution, raise a PR automatically for all the issues. So that's the target we are going to work on. It won't be covered in this hackathon, but hopefully, in the future, let's follow up and see how it goes. So this is the Chainlit UI, as I have already did some testing. So basically what we do is we just grab a GitHub issue link, providing the chatbot. So it will start to analyze. Cool, there we go. So basically, based on the GitHub issue, those are the files that need to be changed to resolve the issue. And it also provides the estimate. So based on the context and RAG, this issue will roughly take around 2 to 3 hours for developer who are familiar with code base and CSS to finish up.